Hello guys, welcome to HTML tutorial part 4. So in this HTML tutorial I'm going to tell you about HTML attributes. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first let's create a HTML file. So guys, we're going to name this file tutorial4.html. So guys, now click enter. So guys, here we have created a new file. So here we can write a comment. So guys, first let's understand what is HTML attribute. HTML attributes provide additional information about the element. Each HTML element is an element of HTML. So guys, if we go to 223.html, then here you can see this code. So here you can see all of this is HTML element. This is the HTML element. This is the HTML element. So guys, you can see all of this is HTML element. So guys, now let's go back to our topic. So in our previous video, I have told you about anchor tag. So guys, in anchor tag you can see href. So this is an attribute. So HTML attributes come like this. So guys, here you can see name equal to value. So now let me give you some example of HTML attributes. So number one is just RC. Just RC attributes are used in images. So guys, here you can see this src attribute. In src we need to put image name. If your image is in a folder, then you need to put folder name first, then slash, then image name, like folder slash, then guys we need to put image dot so guys, then we need to put image name. So my image name is jp image. Here you can see this is alt. So this is a attribute. So here you need to write a text about image. So guys, now if I open this with live server, then guys, here you can see Satyam. So guys, this is image and this is Satyam. So like this you can use image in HTML. Second one is class. So guys, I'm not going to tell you about class in this video. So guys, third one is ID. So we're not going to tell you about ID. So in our another video we're going to tell you about class and ID. Now fourth one is href. So guys, the href is using anchor tag. So guys, already I have told you about anchor tag. So guys, if you want to get more information about anchor tag, then guys click the link in the description to watch second part of HTML tutorial video. So guys, go and watch second part of HTML tutorial video. So guys, if you already have watched second part of HTML tutorial video, you have to wait for fifth part of HTML tutorial. So guys, that's it for now. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if you want to get more HTML videos, then guys please subscribe to this channel and you also press the bell icon. So if you want to get more HTML videos, then guys click the link in the description to get more HTML videos. So guys, thanks for watching for now. See you next time.